Look at the paddy fields. The more and more I travel, the more I want to have a more simple life in the future, where I have enough money to have a nice house, buy a small garden, and have a nice, beautiful motorcycle, which is already fulfilled, and then just travel, live life, enjoy. Oh, we have a temple again on top of the mount. Cutesy putesy temples. There is something about villages, man. Outskirts, that's life is very simple, very nice. Of course, you do not have the luxuries of the city life, where you order something and you get it in like 10 minutes, or you order and you get something also. Because in villages, couriers is like extremely hard to get. I'm pretty sure Amazon and all is there. Just that it's like your delivery dates are quite late. You can't get it them like how you get one day on cities. So you don't get the very luxury life is what I'm saying. But you do have. It depends on what you mean define by luxury, right? If you want a peaceful life where you have fresh oxygen to breathe, healthy food because all food is in villages are fresh from the farm. We are 50 minutes away from our destination. Our arrivals time still sticks at 8:40, 8:30 a.m. Sorry. We have tea, snacks, and juice. Three things. If you're only here for tea and snacks, you can still come. If you want juice also, guess what? You can still come. Paddy fields again. Nice, nice. W for them paddy fields. Look at the mountains on that side. I have a feeling that is all not mist. That's probably smoke only now. Now that I think about it. But then whatever, man. It looks nice. I'm gonna put some nice B-roll music on it and then be like, da, 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 da. No, that song is not nice B-roll. That was just trend at one point. It's not really a nice B-roll music. Kumbakonam filter coffee. क्या मेरा क्या किन पानी का ले लेफ्ट Malakunda. Nice. Jackfruits. It's been a while since I've eaten some good jackfruit. Alright. We're almost there. 20 kilometers left. 20. 30 minutes. Okay. We'll start from the back. How have you been feeling the ride? How is it? How is it so far?
How is it so far?
The ride.
Yeah, मजा आ
कितना फटी?
फटी?
Your ass, bro. Ass cheeks. Are they paining?
Second यार ये
Oh, you're listening to music.
just एक second.
How are you feeling, sir?
I'm cool.
How are you feeling?
Great. I'm actually quite energized right now. मेरे को तो बड़ा मजा आ रहा है रवि के साथ भाई वो पेल रहा है बार-बार। हाँ?
They tried swapping.
I tried switching, but like उसका जो gear है इतना loose है. I was like, bro, I can't do this thing.
I saw them swapping. That's why I was like, you guys come, they will come. But then they again swapped again, I guess.
हाँ, because bro मेरे से हो नहीं रहा था. उसका जो gear जो है ना, shifter, it's like it
How
was.
you been feeling?
भाई मेरे को ये
Huh?
हाँ, इसकी मैंने गाड़ फाड़ दी थी.
अब मैं दिया इसको इतना
Do you want the engine oil to cool down? Do you want to cool the engine down or do you want to top up? You have to put. I'll check. Wait. Uncle, bike shop ಹೆಂಗೆ இருக்குது? Bikes. Bike. Bike shop ಹೆಂಗೆ இருக்குது? First left. Okay. எவ்வளோ ஃபார் இருக்குதுண்ணா? எவ்வளோ தூரம் இருக்குது? இப்போதானா? ஓகே. Yes, I can speak Tamil. Here only it's there. First left. I think it's a garage. I'm not sure. Even if it's a garage, we can buy and put.
What?
First left.
अरे हाँ क्या हुआ?
That's where we have to go also.
क्या हुआ?
You have to put engine oil. This was the sound that was coming that day also. We put engine oil.
नहीं इंजन ऑयल
Engine oil था.
फास्ट नहीं. द थिंग इज कि कम होगा और अभी ज़्यादा गाड़ी हीट हो रहा है.
That's metal and metal.
Chalo. You don't need to wear a helmet. We're only going to take the left up ahead. What?
Small rock पे हिटेगा. That's why I tried to keep avoiding him right behind him, but I couldn't help.
Our phone's at 98. And we're still recording. Triples कर ले. Triples. उसको ट्रिपल करके आजा भाई. Left. That's finally there come triples. Look at the fields. Yeah. Which is, by the way, where we have to go. Jolarpeta. You said in the left. Look at this. Yeah. Look at that. He said in here. Uncle, inga bike shop enga irukudhu? Bike maintenance garage enga irukudhu? காலி இருக்குதா? எனக்கு இன்ஜின் ஆயில் வேணும். பெட்ரோல் பங்க்ல இருக்குதா? ஓகே. அங்கண்ணா எவ்வளோ தூரம் இருக்குது அங்கே? ½ கிலோமீட்டர் இருக்குதா? இது Yelagiri Yelagiri, Yelagiri.
அங்கே பெட்ரோல் இருக்கு இன்ஜின்
Petrol bunk இருக்குதா இங்க? Okay. Okay. Uncle is like, come follow me. He's saying there's a petrol bunk. In the petrol bunk, you'll get. Uncle's like, follow me. We're like, okay, uncle. Roger that. Roger that. The next 20 kilometers are going to be scenic, I suppose. Chinnamottur. Nice. Chinnamottur. Cutesy name. I believe we have to take a left up ahead. Or we can go straight also. What is the left road? Ooh, underpass. I couldn't let that one pass, chat. I couldn't let that sin. Where are the other two? Wait for Ravi.
Where is Hamid and Dhanush?
They're up front. चल इस बीच में फोटो भी ले लेता हूँ.
आगे.
चल. Look at that scenery, man. Yeah. Oh, we just entered Yelagiri. I was extremely quiet for the past few minutes. I was absolutely enjoying the single cylinder thump and the nature because it was extremely green and pretty nice. I was gonna say cute, but then I realized that doesn't make sense. So now we're heading towards the bird park. We're gonna look at the timings and then we're gonna see our breakfast. We're gonna plan our breakfast accordingly. We're going there. Six more kilometers down south. I think I don't think I'll include the ASMR in this because otherwise it will become extremely long. So of course I'll have the cards put in so you guys can check the videos out. Whose brake is that? Is it the guy in front? So that's the guy in front. Alright, we've taken the gloves off for a while. There's a Dolphins Resort. Interesting. We're heading out to the park right now. After which we will sort our breakfast based on the timings and other aspects of the park, and we'll see. Let's see how it is. There's a nice number of resorts as well. I like that. Tiny, individual. Looks pretty nice. This only, right? Yeah. It can be park. Yeah.
It's on the other side. Like, other.